Meet the Callum Sky, a futuristic all-electric multi-terrain vehicle built to thrill on every surface. Features and benefits. With a 42 kWh battery, it can cover up to 170 miles, and an optional ultra-fast charger powers it from 0 to full in under 10 minutes. Weighing just 1,150 kilograms and stretching 4,047 millimeters long, the Sky rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. Its 2+2 enclosed cabin blends luxury and tech, featuring tactile rotary dials, a central touchscreen compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and versatile load space via a hinged tailgate. Context and real-world impact. Available in 2 trims, dynamic, for smooth road performance and capable, for rugged off-road adventures. The Sky redefines what electric vehicles can do, proving that eco-friendly power doesn't mean compromising on speed, style, or versatility. Strong closing statement. The Callum Sky isn't just a car, it's a statement: speed, innovation, and adventure, electrified. Meet the DRR-EV Safari 4x4, the electric ATV built to conquer the wild. Silent, powerful, and ready for adventure, it's designed to take you anywhere. Features and benefits. Powered by an 11 kilowatts electric motor, it reaches speeds up to 45 miles per hour and covers 50 miles on a single charge. Switch seamlessly between 2WD and 4WD with a differential lock for ultimate off-road control. Electronic power steering makes maneuvering effortless, while a 2-inch ball hitch lets you tow with ease. Its quiet operation is perfect for hunting, farming, or simply enjoying nature without disruption. Context and real-world impact. The DRR-EV Safari 4x4 isn't just a ride, it's a game-changer for outdoor work and recreation. By combining zero emissions with rugged performance, it redefines what an ATV can do in both utility and adventure settings. Strong closing statement. Adventure meets innovation with the DRR-EV Safari 4x4, where power, versatility, and silence drive every journey. Meet the Geo Rescue ATV, a beast built to conquer the most extreme terrains on Earth. Features and benefits. This formidable all-terrain machine can transport up to 11 people with ease. Measuring 5.2 meters long, 2.7 meters wide, and 2.39 meters tall, it weighs in at a sturdy 3.2 tons. Power options range from a 340 to 500 horsepower gasoline engine to a 218 to 304 horsepower diesel engine, both paired with a heavy-duty gearbox and lockable axles for unbeatable off-road performance. Its advanced design includes low-pressure wheels that float over water and snow, a rear track system, a 620-liter water tank, and a built-in plow. Every element is optimized for rescue missions, firefighting, and medical support in the harshest environments. Context and real-world impact. From deep snow to rugged wilderness, the Geo Rescue redefines what a utility vehicle can achieve, providing reliability where conventional vehicles fail. Strong closing statement. Starting at $85,000, the Geo Rescue isn't just an ATV, it's a lifeline for extreme off-road operations, combining power, versatility, and innovation in one unstoppable package. When every second counts, the Gibbs Fibian rescue truck answers the call, both on land and water. This incredible amphibious vehicle is built for speed, strength, and precision. Crafted from lightweight carbon fiber, it combines durability with remarkable agility. On the road, it races past 70 miles per hour, and once it hits the water, it effortlessly cruises at over 30 miles per hour, switching modes in just seconds with its retractable wheels. Designed specifically for first responders, the Fibian's spacious cabin can carry up to 15 rescue personnel along with vital emergency gear. Whether it's navigating flooded streets, coastal zones, or remote terrains, this truck ensures rescuers reach victims faster and safer than ever before. Beyond its powerful performance, the Fibian represents a new era in amphibious rescue technology, proving that innovation can save lives when it matters most. The Gibbs Fibian isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifeline built to conquer both land and sea. Meet the 2026 Can-Am Defender Limited HD11, a utility beast that feels less like a machine and more like your toughest work partner. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete evolution in power, comfort, and control. At its heart is a 999cc Rotax HD11 triple-cylinder engine, pushing out 95 horsepower and 70 pound-feet of torque. Whether you're climbing steep trails or hauling serious loads, it delivers smooth, unstoppable strength without breaking a sweat. But the real surprise? How it balances muscle with comfort. The refined cab, upgraded suspension, and optional HVAC system make every ride quieter, smoother, and easier, even after hours in rough terrain. Tech fits right in too. The 10.25-inch touchscreen with a rear camera adds smart convenience without overcomplicating the experience. Add to that a massive towing capacity, durable cargo box, and rugged build, and it's clear this machine was built to get things done. Sure, it's no lightweight investment, but for those who want reliability, capability, and luxury in one ride, the HD11 is worth every bit of it. Meet the action-mobile Atacama 4000 Unimog, where rugged power meets compact luxury for winter overlanding. Features and benefits. Built on the legendary Unimog U423 chassis, this 231 horsepower beast delivers unmatched off-road agility, making every expedition effortless. Its compact frame hides a cleverly designed interior, a pull-out rear bed, front bathroom, and a modern designer kitchen. The cozy living space features an extendable double bed and a sleek shower, blending comfort with practicality. Energy and technology. Powered by four 120-watt solar panels and a 300Ah lithium battery, the Atacama 4000 easily runs appliances like the fridge, freezer, underfloor heating, and even a 32-inch TV. Every element is designed for efficiency without compromising luxury, context, and real-world impact. This is more than a vehicle, it's a mobile retreat that turns winter overlanding into a stylish adventure. Its compact size allows access to remote terrains while maintaining all the comforts of home. Closing statement. With the Atacama 4000, adventure no longer means sacrificing comfort. This is rugged sophistication for travelers who demand performance and style in every journey. The future of racing is here, and it's driven by AI. Imagine cars that think, react, and race faster than any human ever could. Features and benefits. AI race cars are rewriting the rules of motorsports. Controlled entirely by advanced computer algorithms, these vehicles push the limits of speed, precision, and strategy. Teams like AI Racing Tech, ranking as the top U.S. team after the Indy Autonomous Challenge at Texas Motor Speedway, showcase the next generation of autonomous performance. Their machines demoed cutting-edge tech at C224, combining expertise from UC Berkeley, UC San Diego, Carnegie Mellon, and the University of Hawaii system. Context and real-world impact. The Indy Autonomous Challenge's next-gen platform, unveiled at CES 2024, introduces groundbreaking hardware and software innovations. These systems deliver real-time insights on track conditions, obstacles, and nearby vehicles, allowing AI drivers to make split-second decisions with unmatched accuracy. Strong closing statement. From real-time data to lightning-fast reactions, AI race cars aren't just shaping motorsports, they're redefining the very future of speed. Step into the era where machines race smarter, faster, and safer than ever before. Meet the Argo Sasquatch XTX, an amphibious beast built to conquer land and water like no other. This monster runs on a 1.8L turbo diesel engine, pumping out 55 horsepower and 200 Nm of torque. It glides over land at 25 miles per hour and cruises through water at 4 miles per hour. Thanks to its HDT automatic steer transmission and instant torque drive, you get sharp, responsive handling, even in the roughest environments. Its massive XT32871 tires come with a cup-to-flat tread design, built for serious traction and water propulsion. And with the Argo Terrain Control System, you can tweak tire pressure on the go with just one touch, whether you're in mud, sand, or snow. Storage? It's got you covered. With 57.5 cubic feet in the Flexbox cargo area and an extra Squatch box side compartment, there's room for all your gear. Bonus: fold-down ladder, LED lighting, and a lockable tailgate make loading and unloading a breeze. The Sasquatch doesn't just survive the wild, it owns it. Imagine an electric truck that costs less than most used cars. Meet the Slate Auto Truck. Backed by Jeff Bezos, this minimalist EV is rewriting the rules of affordability. At its core, the Slate is a rugged two-seater pickup starting at just $20,000 after incentives. It skips the luxuries, no touchscreens, no flashy paint, even hand-crank windows, but that's the point. It's built to be simple, durable, and accessible. Don't mistake minimalism for weakness. Under the hood sits a 201 horsepower motor that launches from 0 to 60 in just 8 seconds, with up to 240 miles of range depending on the battery pack. That's plenty of muscle for daily drives or weekend hauls. But the real game changer is flexibility. With modular kits, this truck can transform into a 5-seat SUV, while add-ons like wraps, racks, and accessories make it uniquely yours. Set to roll out in late 2026, the Slate truck isn't just another EV, it's a practical, customizable, and budget-friendly vision of the electric future. Imagine hailing a taxi with no driver, no steering wheel, and no pedals. Just a sleek, futuristic pod ready to take you anywhere. That's the Tesla Cybercab. Unveiled at Tesla's AI Robot event in October 2024, the Cybercab is a fully autonomous, all-electric ride built for 2 passengers. Its bold butterfly doors and massive center touchscreen make every trip feel premium and personalized. What powers it? A cutting-edge camera-based self-driving system, no manual controls, just advanced AI handling the road. With a starting price projected at around $30,000 and a planned public launch in 2026, Tesla is aiming to make autonomous mobility not just futuristic, but truly accessible. The Cybercab isn't just another car, it's a vision of how we'll move through cities in the near future. Cleaner streets, smarter transport, and freedom from the wheel. The question is, when it arrives, will you be ready to ride? Imagine a computer that thinks more like a brain than a machine. That's the power of thermodynamic computing, a groundbreaking leap that could completely change how we understand technology. Instead of relying on rigid binary code, this system uses the natural flow of energy and heat to process information. It doesn't just calculate, it adapts. Like the human brain, it can self-organize, learn, and evolve in real time, all while consuming a fraction of the power used by modern computers. Researchers believe this innovation could unlock a new generation of truly intelligent systems, machines that don't just follow commands but actually think through problems on their own. This isn't just another upgrade in computing power. It's the dawn of an entirely new era, where technology mirrors life itself, and artificial intelligence begins to feel a little less artificial. The age of thermodynamic computing has begun, and it might just redefine what it means to be smart. Meet the Theron Reaver, Canada's groundbreaking electric ATV that fuses raw power with unmatched versatility. Features and benefits. Choose from 40 to 70 horsepower powertrains and 2 or 4-wheel drive setups, delivering up to 800 Nm of torque and speeds up to 75 miles per hour. Its REEVOLT lithium-ion battery covers up to 112 miles on a single charge and reaches level 2 charging in just 3 hours. Built on a rugged PowerEdge chromoly 4130 chassis, the Reaver boasts a 7-inch digital display, heated grips, LED lighting, and dual luggage racks. Context and real-world impact. Designed for both work and play, it handles towing up to 1,500 pounds and carries a 400-pound payload effortlessly. Whether you're tackling tough trails or hauling gear, this ATV redefines electric off-road performance. Strong closing statement. Starting at $14,000, the Theron Reaver isn't just an ATV, it's a customizable powerhouse with options like winches, snowplows, and unique color schemes, ready to transform how you explore, work, and adventure.